on the website, growyourshow.com. And then you just go to /PDF and you get that PDF of all of the different equipment. There's some headphones there. There's some options there. And one of the things that I'm committed to do when you hear this, you're going to be able to go to that place and you're going to be able to see different headphones for different prices. And some of the headphones are going to be the kind that hide behind your ear, which you can't really see. So if, for example, you're a woman and I don't know, or anyone with longer hair and the headphones kind of like smash your hair and mess it up or make you look weird because you have a small head or whatever, don't worry. There's going to be options on there that cover your ears so you can hear perfectly and perfect studio sound. And there's going to be the kind that go behind your ears so that they're nearly invisible, like nobody really even knows that you have them. And so it's going to have all these different options of headphones that you can pick and choose from. I feel like we need to say it again. You want to be able to hear your guest and you want to be able to hear you. And you're like, well, I could hear my guest because like I've got speakers on my computer and like, you know, I could hear them. And it's like, well, also, if they're coming out of your computer speakers and not directly to your ears, you have no flipping clue if that sound is going to come out of your speaker and back into your freaking mic and have a cycle of sound where it echoes or gives that high-pitched feedback sound, that feedback loop. You don't want the sound looping back into your mic. So you want to keep your guest's sound or your co-host's sound away from your mic. You want their sound to just go straight to your ears so you know how they sound. And you want to be able to hear yourself at the same time. If you're using the Rodecaster Pro, I'm going back to something I started to say. You just plug it in the back of the Rodecaster. Cool. If you're not using one of those and maybe you have a USB mic like the one that's at my house, I've got a different setup at my studio office, but at my house, I've got a really great mic, a decent one anyway, and I can plug in my headphone into the back of my microphone. In future episodes coming out in a week or two, you're going to hear another episode where I just teach you which mic you need to use. So stay tuned for that. But whenever you get one of the mics that are on the growyourshow.com /PDF, most of those, almost every single one of those, has a USB option and an XLR option and has the ability to be able to plug your microphone jack, your headphone jack into the back of the microphone. And then what's strange is that you would tell your computer, or if you're recording on Zoom like I do, or if you're recording on whatever, you would tell it that your microphone is your microphone, and you would tell it that your speaker is your microphone. And you're like, wait, what? My microphone isn't a speaker. My microphone's a microphone. Well, you say that it's a speaker because you want their sound to go to your mic instead of your regular speaker, because you've got your headphones connected to the back of your mic, and that's where the sound's going to come. So it goes through the USB, and now you can hear it. So I know it can sound a little bit confusing, but you make your mic, and your speaker in the settings if you're plugged into the back of your microphone, if that makes any sense. So yes, you absolutely need headphones. Go to growyourshow.com /PDF in order to find out which headphones. You could get the bulky ones that are for studio that you might not like the way they look, or you can get the kind that go behind your ear. All of those are affiliate links. So I might make a couple of dollars when you click on it. You won't spend anything more to buy from that link. The only thing is that it makes your life easier because all of the equipment that you'll need, all the options are there. They all have the links direct to Amazon or wherever you're going to buy them. Like some of them are not Amazon links. Some of them are not affiliate links. Most of them are, as many as we can. But anyway, you go there. It makes your life a lot easier. And yeah, I might make a couple of dollars and it'll help support the show so we can keep going and supporting you, the listener.